This is the only credit card that you can get up to an $8,000 line of credit with no hard inquiry. On today's episode, we have a major groundbreaking announcement on a new product that has been updated. Now, it's actually not new, it's old from 2023, but it's taken some major overhauls that are going to affect a lot of people. So if you previously purchased an Intrigue Jewelers account that I talked about in 2023 using my specific link that is in the description and in the actual comment section, then guess what? You're going to get a massive update to your credit reports that you were not expecting in 2024. This major update is not just for people that have existing and open accounts already with Intrigue Jewelers. It is also going to be for anyone that's going to open up a new account. They're going to get the major update also. So all new accounts will also get the updates that I'm going to talk about. This information has not been released to the public yet. This is exclusive information that has only been released to our audience, and you're going to be the first to hear about it. There are going to be 3 very important steps in this video that you do not want to miss. Step 1, who will qualify and how much can you qualify for? Step 2, what are the major updates and when will they hit your credit reports? And step 3, how to open an account and get started immediately. Do not want to miss a minute of today's episode. Now let's get into step 1, who will qualify and how much will you qualify for? If you have a credit score under 600, you will get a $5,000 line of credit. That's right, you heard me correct. If your credit score is under 600, that's insane, right? I've never heard anything like that. It's crazy. Now, if you have a credit score that is over 600, now you heard me again, a credit score that is over 600, you will get an $8,000 line of credit. I'm not even making this stuff up. This is amazing. That's why I told you, this is a major update. And once you pay off your purchase, you will get bumped up to $8,000 if you are one of the people that start off with a $5,000 line of credit. Now, you must purchase something on their website in order for your account to become active. So let's go take a look at their website and see all the different types of jewelry that they actually offer. Now, also be aware, if you do not purchase something, again, I'm going to repeat it, if you do not purchase something, they're not going to report any line of credit to your actual credit report. So be aware of that. Last time we did this, people went and signed up and then they complained because they didn't have any line of credit that reported. You didn't buy anything, so you have to purchase something, ladies and gentlemen. So let's get into this. It's almost Valentine's Day. I don't know if anybody knows that. It's right around the corner. So this is perfect timing. If you're low on your budget, your money's looking funny, and your change is kind of strange, then this may be able to help you out and get something for your lady, for your missus, or for your man, whoever it may be. But they offer a different variety of jewelry. Anything from diamonds to moissanite to bracelets, earrings, engagement rings, all types of things that they offer here. They have different levels for different budgets also. As you can see here, you got stuff for under 700, under 1500, and under 2000. So it doesn't matter what you purchase, you need to just make some type of purchase. It could be anything in any budget, whatever you feel comfortable with. Last part is the most important. Now, the cheapest thing that I can find on their website was under the 700s, was for $669.99. Now understand, because this is actually going to report as an installment loan, it is going to raise your debt to income ratio, which really doesn't matter unless you're trying to purchase a home, and this is $700. It's not going to have that high impact. It's not going to hurt your credit score when you carry a balance, so you will have time to actually pay this off over time, and it's not going to impact credit score. So be aware of that, because a lot of people just don't explain that properly to everyone. So you have $669 all the way up to $769, all in the lower range for people that have a tight budget. So let's get into step 2 now. What are the major updates and when will they hit your credit report? Now, you will get your line of credit that reports as an installment loan to get started right out the gate. That will take 90 days to report to the 3 major credit reporting agencies. Now, the best part about this is there's 2 things that you're actually going to get on your credit report. Now, you will also get a revolving line of credit that will report 0 balance to Experian in 30 days after you purchase your item and you open your account. That's literally in 30 days. They are working on getting the others to begin reporting also, so expect Equifax and TransUnion in due time. It's on its way. Now also be aware, people are gonna hate on this, and listen, the haters are gonna come out and say, this is ridiculous. Listen, this is for people with bad credit. Remember that. This is going to help you rebuild. That's the big thing about it. So imagine, pay this off, and it's going to report a $5,000 line of credit. There's that other catch though, okay? There's another catch that's coming here. It's going to also report a revolving line of credit to Experian. You heard me right. That's right. It's going to report that actual revolving line of credit to Experian at a zero balance when it opens up and it starts to report. But your actual line of credit is going to show that you're carrying a balance, but that's not going to affect your credit score, which is amazing. So just let that sink in for a minute. This is why this is super high impact. Now they are working on getting the other two credit reporting agencies to report to the actual revolving line of credit. So in due time, it's going to come. So sit tight because it's going to get even better. This is groundbreaking because there's nowhere else that you can get an actual revolving line of credit and an actual installment loan to report from the same company and help you rebuild your credit with bad credit. It's not happening anywhere. This is going to be one of the best credit builders of 2024. So anyone that has an existing account already with Intrigue Jewelers, you're going to see your revolving line of credit is going to pop up on your Experian report, and expect to also have TransUnion and Equifax down the line. As I said earlier, they are still working on it, but it is coming. All right, the final step, step 3, how to open an account and get started. It's actually very simple. You're just gonna go to the application button, you're gonna open it up. Now you need to have a valid ID or valid driver's license because you're going to need to input that information. Make sure that you input all this information, it's accurate and it's complete. Your updated actual email address needs to be actually valid. Your address needs to be valid. All these things have to be real. And then it's gonna ask you for an actual 3 references that you're gonna have to put on the application. So prepare for that. Get your friends, family members, or whoever is gonna be ready for your references. And then it's gonna ask you for your ACH because they're gonna take direct payment from your ACH checking account. So understand how that works. Very simple. And then you just submit your application. Once you submit your application, then you go put something in your cart and you purchase it and get your credit rebuilding immediately. Link is going to be pinned at the very top comments, and it's also going to be in the description of this video. Use my exclusive link to get started. Nobody else knows about this. You're hearing about it here first. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure that you watch the next video because it is about how to get high limit credit cards with Navy Federal. And if you felt that I brought you some value, make sure you don't forget, subscribe to increase your credit score. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Mike the Credit Guy. I'm the owner and founder of Limitless Culture. We created the most advanced DIY credit management system in the industry. Our system allows you to take control of your credit, creating custom Metro 2 attack letters every single round, never using templates, for only $55.99 a month. Link is always going to be in the description.